Nickel ore is a very important non-ferrous metal raw material, which is used to manufacture stainless steel, high-nickel alloy steel, and alloy structural steel, widely used in military industry. Nickel ore ball press itself to the motor requirements are very strict. Because of different raw materials, the pressure used in the middle is also different. At this time, as one of the indispensable parts of nickel ore ball press, our motor has played a very important role in it. The choice of motor directly promotes the internal speed of the whole nickel ore ball press. To meet the standard, there are certain requirements. For example, what happens if we buy a smaller nickel ball machine model? Generally speaking, if the motor of nickel ore ball press is small, it means that the pressure of our entire nickel ore ball press is too low. Once the pressure is reduced, then our ball machine could have a very serious problem with ball formation.